Samsung washing machine. I know other people's had that problem. This model here, I haven't seen really anybody with this type of model yet, but I had an issue where with the door closed, machines being off, the drum would still spin. So what I did here, there's going to be a couple Phillips head screws, one over there, one here, one there, one right over there, another one down here. This whole thing just kind of lifts up. I couldn't figure out how to get it off all the way, but this box here you want to go for. I just pulled this outwards, that one out, set that off to the side. Then what you want to do, your relay is going to be right there and one right over here. I just unplugged it. I unplugged all the other connectors. Then I tapped on the relay just with the screwdriver. Just with the regular screwdriver here, I just tapped on it. People's kind of taking a hammer to it. I took this little screwdriver, tapped on it, plugged everything back in, and we will see. I got it plugged in now to the wall, and it's not going off. So hopefully, I don't know if anybody needs any information on that part, but hopefully that'll take care of your issue.